Excel can be defined as a spreadsheet program that allows you to store, organize, and analyze data and information in tabular format. Excel is a part of Microsoft Office developed by Microsoft Corporation. Excel permits you to arrange your data so as to view various factors from very different perspectives. Let us open the program and see what can be done in Excel. To open Microsoft Excel, click on Start button, go to All Programs, select Microsoft Office, find and click on Microsoft Excel 2010 or whatever version installed on your PC. A blank workbook with a blank spreadsheet will open in Excel. When you see the spreadsheet, it is arranged in the form of table. Let us have a look at the components of Excel window. Title bar. A horizontal bar at the top of window having three components. Quick access toolbar at the left. File name at center. Minimize, maximize and close buttons at the right. Cell. The intersection of row and column is known as a cell. A cell is identified by its cell address, cell pointer. A rectangular highlighter which indicates the active cell in the spreadsheet is known as cell pointer. It is moved by arrow keys or by a left click using the mouse. Active cell. The active cell or the highlighted cell is the cell which is selected and can be used for entering data. Data can be inserted in active cell only. Cell range. The combination of more than one adjacent cell is known as cell range. Cell range address contains only two values, the starting and ending cell address. Row. A row is a horizontal collection of values in a worksheet. Rows can be identified by the number. Column. A column is a vertical group of values in a worksheet. It can be identified by the characters. Name box. Name box stores the cell address of the current cell. Cell address is column name and row name put together. A cell formed by intersection of column G and row 18 will have its cell address G18. Formula bar. It displays the data of formula being entered in the current cell. Page view. Excel provides three page views: normal, page layout and page break preview. Normal view is the default worksheet view. Other views are used for setting page dimensions while taking printouts. Status bar. The horizontal bar at the bottom of the window is called the status bar. It shows the status of data entry in current cell. Worksheets. Each Excel file is called a workbook. An Excel workbook has worksheet. You can rename, move, copy or delete these worksheets. However, every workbook must have at least one worksheet. Worksheet. A worksheet is a grid of cells. Cells are made up of rows and columns. Worksheet begins with row number 1 and column A. Each cell contains a number, text and formula. A workbook is a set of worksheets that you can use to organize various kinds of related information. When you open the program, a blank workbook has initially 3 worksheets. You can add more worksheets as per your need to create a new workbook. You can also open another blank workbook. Entering data in worksheet. We have to make the cell active in order to enter data in any cell of worksheet in MS Excel 2010. To make cell active and enter data, follow these steps. Click on the cell to select it or move cell pointer to the cell for making it active. Start typing from current cell, which is A1. Type the data in the cell to create a table and then press enter key to move to the next line. Now you know how to enter data and ready to let the computer to do all the calculation for you. Excel can perform many different calculations. You just have to give it a formula. We can do arithmetic calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in MS Excel. To get the correct result, it is very important to enter the formula correctly. A formula always starts with an equal sign followed by cell value or cell address and operators like a plus sign for addition, minus for subtraction, a star for multiplication, backslash for division. Let us first learn how to add numbers together by using autosum. If you want to find the sum of particular values, you can use autosum command in MS Excel. Excel autosum command automatically enter the formula to some number in your worksheet. The autosum button is available in two locations on the Excel ribbon. The first is through the Home tab, then Editing group, in which you find the autosum option. The second one is in Formula tab, then Function Library group and autosum option. To use autosum, follow these steps. Select the cells immediately below the last value in the column. Click the autosum button on either the Home or Formula tab. Press the Enter key to complete the formula. The sum of the number will be displayed. There is another way to calculate the sum of a set of numbers in Excel. This is called sum by formula. Formula is a mathematical relationship written using symbols. Let us take an example of a set of data which tells us the number of items sold in a shop on each day. We want to find the total sales. Follow these steps to create a formula. To find the total, add a new column heading total to the table after Saturday column. Click on cell H2 and type equal to sign. After equal to sign, write the complete formula using cell address and press enter. Repeat the same for other items by changing cell address. Saving a workbook. You can save your spreadsheet for future. Use following simple steps to save your Excel file. Click on Office button, select Save or Save As option from the menu. Save As dialog box will appear. Select the location, enter the file name in the file name box and click Save button. Your file will be saved with the name given. The file name on the title bar will change from book 1 to whatever name you have assigned to the file. That's all for today. I hope you understand the various components of MS Excel now. Thank you.